Hello, everyone. This is my review of these PowerStep Orthotic Insoles. These insoles are built with an arch support that aims to reduce strain on your foot. It has a moderate cushion that is intended to offer a balanced feel, not too soft, not too firm. The full-length design ensures that your entire foot benefits from the support. Putting it to the test, I found the insoles to be quite comfortable. The arch support is noticeable, but not intrusive. It's ideal for when you're new to orthotics. They fit well inside the shoe, but they might need to be firm and slightly for a perfect fit. Overall, I think this is a pretty good product, and I hope this review helps.